In this video, you are going to see how to crop an image in Google Docs. Let us go to Insert, go to Image, click on Upload from Computer and choose an image from your computer and click on Open. Then the image will be inserted. Click on the image and here you will see the option Crop Image. Now you can crop this image as you need, like this. If you want to increase or decrease the size, this is also possible and you can adjust it like this. Now click on outside, then the image will be cropped. There is another option. Click on the image, click on right button and cut it. Go to Insert, go to Drawing and click on New. Click on Ctrl V to paste it over here. Now if you want to crop it, you can crop it from here. There is another option, Mask Image. Go to Shape. You can mask this image into a shape like this, and this is looking perfect. If you want to rotate it, you can rotate it like this and click on Save and Close. Then the image will be inserted in the main page. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.